Hello, I hope this video finds you well. Today is night 12 in my commitment to record one Codingbat solution a night, as long as schools are closed. And whether you're a student of mine or someone out there just learning to code, please don't hesitate to send me any questions or comments. Now, I just got excited when I did the Python version of this because I had completed all the warmup ones and I forgot that there are so many more warmup ones in Java. So at some point I'll find a chance to do all those as well. If there's any specific ones you want, please just send me a message. Alright. The question states, given a string, we say that the front is the first three chars of the string. If the string length is less than 3, the front is whatever is there. Return a new string, which is 3 copies of the front. And so we see here the example, front3 Java gives us JAV, JAV, JAV. Front3 chocolate gives us CHO, CHO, CHO. And front3 ABC gives us ABC, ABC, ABC. Now, interestingly, if you watched my video last night, there was no comment about length restriction. And here they very explicitly say if the string length is less than 3. So you know you have to think about this case if it's less than 3. And I think it's kind of interesting that in the examples, they don't give you an example where the length is less than 3. So you really have to be watching to catch that. And that's what the big idea here is. When I'm talking to students about this problem is I want to make sure they understand that they have to check the length before they go through the substring process. Or if you're working with lists or arrays, any type of accessing elements. So what we're going to do is we're going to say if str.length is less than or equal to 3. Because here's the thing, if it's less than or equal to 3, we can just return whatever the content of the string is 3 times. So I just say return str plus str plus str. Now, if the string is greater than 3, it means that I can actually pull out the first 3 characters using substring, and I can just return those 3 copies concatenated together. So I'm going to say string new str is equal to str.substring. And I'm going to say 0, 3. Remember, substring is inclusive, exclusive. And a really nice little trick you can do is if you take the second parameter minus the first parameter, you'll always get the length of the resulting substring. And then what I can do is I can return new str plus new str plus new str. Now you might ask yourself, why did I do this in a variable first? It's because this was longer to write out every time. And I hit go, and I get a mistake. Can you see the mistake in this line? It's right here. When we're accessing the length of a string, it's a function, and therefore I needed to write it as a function with parentheses. There we go. Okay, I hope this video helped, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. Have a great day. You know, before I leave, I realize this is a great one to do as a one-liner because it's a great opportunity to show how to do a conditional statement using the question mark operator in Java. So let's comment this out and let's write it in. So I've pulled it up here on W3 Schools, which is a great site, and this is your syntax for a one-line conditional statement using that question mark operator. So what you do is you put your condition here, and then your true expression, your false expression. So if we come back into Codingbat, you just paste that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to return that. And the condition is, well, if str.length is less than or equal to 3, and the true state, we're going to return str plus str plus str. And if it's greater than 3, we're going to say str.substring 0, 3. And we're going to do that 3 times. So let me just take this and I'll copy that. And then I'm going to paste it twice more. Now if I hit go, somewhere I made a mistake. I made that same mistake again. Look at that. And there you go. So again, is this necessary? No. Is it super readable? But it's just a fun way to kind of show a way you can kind of play with some interesting notation in Java. I hope this video helped and have a great day.